So, you're probably thinking, why? Is this just a movie about a hand? Well, this is basically a snatching hand, and this is my non-dominant hand, okay? So when you're snatching a kettlebell, the goal is not to increase blistering. We don't want to reach blisters, we don't want to tear, okay? So we want to be able to train often and a lot. So this is my left hand. This is my right hand. They are slightly different. You can see how the musculature, the folds, the skin, finger, everything. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to, instead of grabbing that kettlebell handle like that and gripping it super tight, what we want to do is when we're taking that kettlebell, we want the handle to go past this area where it's going to bunch up, okay? And we want to catch right about here. Then we want to wrap the fingers. Then we want to wrap the thumb. So what that does is that gives us a very strong lock, okay? So my middle finger is the longest by far. So I try to reach to my middle finger to create that kind of lock, okay? Like I said, my hands are pretty meaty and they've been beaten up. I've broken my hands, I've broken fingers, all sorts of stuff. But the difference between this hand, this is my dominant hand. I'm more dexterous with this, meaning I can feel the kettlebell handle better. So this is my quicker hand. When I drop that kettlebell, and I can quickly grab and wrap easier in my right side than I can in my left. Now my left bunches up a lot right here, and I used to play guitar, so it just feels differently. It feels different, my left than my right. It's not as muscular. My right hand is a lot thicker in the palm, but my left hand, from playing so much bass guitar, my fingers want to stay more straight here. So I feel differently from left to right, as you will too, okay? So what we want to do is try to get past those calluses. Now when I open my hand compared to other people, my hand still has those big bumps and ridges, okay, in the palm. Now a lot of people, their skin is really tight when they open up, and that's kind of helpful for a kettlebell snatch. The longer fingers, piano fingers, something like that, that's more beneficial in my mind to get that better wrap around the handle. So with shorter fingers, the bell wants to go right to about there, which keeps a lot of, like I said, we don't want the handle to be grinding in the palm. See what that does? I have lots of looser skin right there. So I want to jump, kind of bounce it over, and as that kettlebell comes down, we want to and then wrap, okay? So anyway, I hope that helps learning about hands for kettlebell sport.